your assigned seats, which you can find in your boarding pass. Please store all your luggage in the overhead compartments. Any extra baggage should be placed under the seat in front of you, except in emergency exit rows. As additional information, this is a non-smoking flight and therefore smoking is not allowed at any time. The use of electronic cigarettes is not permitted. If you need any assistance, please contact the cabin crew. Thank you for your attention.
The birds they sang at break of day. Start again, I hear them say, it's so hard to just walk away. The birds they sang, all a choir. Start again, a little higher. It's a spark in a sea of grey. The sky is blue. Dream that light till it's true. Then take